Now, let us move to pressure groups. These are groups of organized sections of the community promoting their own parochial interest by regularly putting pressures on the authorities, that is government or public opinion. This is usually with the objective of securing favorable changes and preventing detrimental policies or decisions of government. Pressure groups are associations of individuals united by a common interest, belief, activity, purpose that seek to achieve its objectives, further its interest, and enhance its status. It is important to note that pressure groups do not seek power, but they influence government to make favorable policies and decisions. Types of pressure groups. The first on the list is communal groups. These are pressure groups where membership is based on bet rather than recruitment. It is rather embedded in the social fabric. Examples include Ohanese Indigbo in Nigeria, Arewa People's Congress in Nigeria, Odua People's Congress in Nigeria, Afenifere in Nigeria, and Movement for the Survival of Ogoni Peoples, MOSOP, and so on and so forth. The second is institutional groups. These are groups that are part of the machinery of government. Their influence is exerted through the machinery of government. They differ from the others because they do not enjoy autonomy or independence. Examples include bureaucracies, military, etc. Associational groups is next. This consists of individuals banded together to pursue shared but narrow goals. This type is characterized by voluntary action and existence of common interest. Examples are Nigeria Bar Association, NBA, Nigeria Medical Association, NMA, Nigeria Union of Teachers, NUT, Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, etc. Then we have Hanoemic groups. These consist of pressure groups that emerge spontaneously in response to issues and usually extinct after the issue became resolved. Examples are National Actualization of Sovereign State of Biafra, MASOB, #EndSARS Protest Group, etc. Pressure groups exert their influence through the following institutions and channels: the bureaucracy, the legislature, the courts, political parties, and the mass media. Let us attempt to compare pressure groups and political parties. 1. Pressure groups seek influence from outside, whereas political parties seek to capture power. 2. Pressure groups have narrow issues that are particular to their members, whereas political parties articulate broader interests in order to win election. 3. Political parties sponsor candidates for election, but pressure groups uses other means like aligning with a political party. For example, Labour Party, TUC in Britain. 4. While political parties strive to mobilize a majority of the voters to gain power, pressure groups serve to give special representation to minorities. 5. They both contribute to political education but differ in approach. Let's take the second multiple choice question. The Nigeria Bar Association, NBA, is an example of option A, communal groups, B, institutional groups, option C, associational groups, and option D, Hanoemic groups. Let's go to feedbacks on MCQ2 answer. The correct answer is C. If you choose A, then it will be incorrect, because communal groups are pressure groups where membership is based on bet rather than recruitment. If you choose option B, it will also be incorrect, because institutional groups are groups that are part of the machinery of government. If you choose option D, then you are incorrect, because Hanoemic groups consist of pressure groups that emerge spontaneously in response to issues and usually extinct after the issue became resolved. At this point, let me invite the e-tutor for this interactive session to come and coordinate the discussion session. We are considering 2 questions for our discussion. Number 1, give your own definition of political party and mention any 2 features of a political party. 2, attempt the definition of pressure group and identify 3 ways pressure groups influence government. To conclude this round of our video lesson, in the lesson, we have tried to define political parties and pressure groups as institutions for political interactions. Their function and types were also discussed. A political party is an organized group of like-minded persons seeking to take control of government through constitutional means, while pressure groups are groups of organized sections of the community promoting their own parochial interest by regularly putting pressures on the authorities, government, or public opinion. Political parties and pressure groups are significant in terms of the roles they play, particularly in a democracy. There are 3 types of party system, as we discussed in this lesson. We have one-party, two-party, and multi-party systems. The types of pressure groups include anomic, communal, institutional, associational groups, and associational groups. One of the significant differences between political parties and pressure groups is that the latter seek influence from outside, whereas the former seek to capture political power. Let me use this opportunity to thank everyone who has contributed to the production of this interactive video lesson, including the executive producer, producers, directors, camera operators, sound technicians, editors, and e-tutors, among others. You have all done an excellent job. Thank you very much, and God bless.